Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you've been feeling a little more stressed or anxious lately, you're not alone. Between busy schedules, emotional ups and downs, and just the fast pace of modern life, our nervous systems are on overdrive more often than not. But there's good news. There are natural, gentle ways to support your emotional well-being, starting with essential oils and a few small lifestyle tweaks. So today I'm sharing the best essential oils for calming stress and anxiety, plus some easy, doable tips that help bring a little more peace and balance into your day. This isn't about perfection, it's about giving yourself grace and creating moments of calm you can actually stick with. So let's start with the heart of today's video, essential oils. These natural plant extracts can offer incredible emotional support by working with the limbic system. That's the part of your brain that processes emotions and memory. So let's cover the top calming oils to keep on hand. First is lavender. It's the classic oil for promoting calm, sleep, and emotional balance. Next up, we have Balance, the grounding blend. It's earthy and stabilizing. It's great for those anxious thoughts. And third is Adaptiv, the calming blend. It's designed to specifically help with overwhelm and stress. Fourth is the king of oils, frankincense. It's grounding and centering, especially for emotional clarity. Fifth is bergamot. It's uplifting, yet relaxing, and it's great for anxious and low moods. And lastly is Copaiba. It's known to soothe anxious feelings and support the nervous system. Now, here are some simple application tips that you can use with all these oils. First off is diffuse 3 to 5 drops of your favorite calming oil in your space. Next, you can rub the diluted oils on your wrist, neck, or over your heart. And place a drop in the palm, rub your palms together, then cup loosely over your nose and take 3 deep mindful breaths. Please don't underestimate how calming mindful breaths can be. These tiny habits, just a few seconds long, can create a real shift in your mood and mindset throughout the day. Now, essential oils work beautifully when paired with healthy habits that nurture your mind and body. So here are some of my favorite gentle practices that you can ease into with no stress or no pressure. Healthy habit number 1, grounding mornings. Now, I notice a difference in myself when I start the day intentionally. And one way to begin your day is with just 2 to 3 minutes of stillness. Now, diffuse balance or frankincense and set an intention for how you want to feel today. And then healthy habit number 2, herbal teas and oils. Make a soothing tea with warm water and add a few drops of chamomile or Melissa essential oils. Now, you can also add a drop of lemon essential oil. It creates a soothing ritual that also hydrates and calms the nervous system. Healthy habit number 3, daily digital detox pockets. Now, take 10 to 15 minutes daily to step away from your phone. Now, during this time, roll on some Adaptiv behind your ears or on your wrist and connect with the moment. And lastly, healthy habit number 4, evening wind down. Create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, journal for 5 minutes, or do a nightly reflection of the day, or even listen to soft music. Diffuse lavender and cedarwood to help your body and mind fully relax. Now, here's the truth. You don't need to do everything to feel better. Sometimes the most powerful shifts come from just one intentional choice, like rolling on an oil before that stressful phone call, or taking 3 deep breaths instead of pushing through. Now, your well-being matters. You matter. And small steps taken consistently can truly help you feel more grounded, more peaceful, and more you. Now, if this video gave you some new ideas and helped you feel a little more empowered today, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any more wellness tips. And share this with a friend who could use a bit of help de-stressing. So tell me in the comments which calming oil you are using right now, or which one are you excited to try? And don't forget, check the description for a free Calm and Clear essential oil guide that includes diffuser blends, roller bottle recipes, and daily affirmations to keep you supported all season long. Take a deep breath, friend. You got this.